Today is a momentous day, y'all. And no, it's not because I'm announcing my return to YouTube, even though that's something I would like to do and I'm planning on doing. It is because I got this bad boy. If you know me, you know I'm a self-proclaimed audiophile. I love collecting headphones. I like nice microphones. I'm no musician or anything. It's just something that I just fell in love with and it's a hobby of mine. Although I have taken quite long of a break from this hobby to do other things. And now I feel like with the purchase of the Nothin wireless headphones, I'm kind of coming back and rediscovering this hobby. There has been a lot of changes, a lot of things that have entered the market that I just haven't had any purview into. And this is the first time where I'm taking a leap in such a long time to try something new. Now, I have been using the Apple AirPod Pros. These are the 2s, I believe. And I ride for these hard. Like, I have these on all the time. I've probably had over, hundreds, maybe thousands of hours of listening hours on this. So it's kind of a big deal for me because it has been such a core piece of my everyday carry that, like, this is potentially a huge disruptor in that. So this video, I just want to unbox this, share some initial impressions, and just share some of my thoughts on this product, just for anyone else that is curious about buying these. I got these for 99 bucks, 100 bucks or something like that. It was on sale on Prime Day for like $50 off, and you know, I just saw an opportunity and I took it. So here it is in all its glory. Here is a AirPod case next to it for a size comparison. It's quite small, you know, it's like a palm size. There's a nice little red tab at the bottom to open it up, so let's see. Ooh, that's a sturdy tab. And there's a tab to pull it out. Nice. Let's see what other goodies they have in here. Oh, cool. Here is the actual case. Wow, look at that, the clear case. So this is the silicone tips. They have a wide array of sizes. I'll probably be using this one. I like the smaller ones because my ears aren't very big. Then there's a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So let's see. The detailing on that. Okay, I'm gonna replace the earbuds right now. These already look quite small. So I think the ones that are on them are the mediums. This is a size comparison between the mediums and the small. This is about the size of it compared to the Apple AirPods. They're roughly the same width. Obviously it's a little bit taller, but yeah. The aesthetics of this thing look awesome. Cool, so let's give these a try and see what they're like. I'm gonna put them on and see how they feel. All right, in they go. They feel pretty nice. My phone kind of had a tough time reading it because, like, if you look at it, it's like, okay, well, maybe the camera's picking it up pretty well, but for my camera on the phone, it had a tough time, like, detecting the actual QR code. So after playing around with these headphones a little bit more, I've summarized some initial first impressions that I have. The first thing is that the transparency mode is not as good as the AirPod Pros. There are times when I wear the AirPod Pros and I forget that they're on me, and I'll frantically look for them as if I like lost them or something, but they're really just in my ear. I don't think that's ever gonna happen with these. Like, you can definitely tell that they're on you because the sound is muffled, whereas transparency mode on the AirPod Pros feels a little bit more transparent. The thing that I think is super nice is the haptics on the Nothin wireless earbuds are amazing. They're so crisp, they're really snappy, very responsive, more than the AirPod Pros. It almost feels like it's so responsive and so snappy that it almost feels like it's analog. Like it feels like there's an actual like metal clicker in here that I'm actually pressing. So I love that feeling, and it's great. The app is fun to use. It's a really, really nice looking app. It's easy to navigate. I like all of the options that you can have for the equalizer. That one's fun. And based on initial impressions, the sound is great. The bass is poppin', even though I only had it on 3 the whole time. I think like sound quality wise, I like it more than the AirPod Pros, to be honest. For the transparency mode and for the noise cancellation, I think I have to give that to the AirPod Pros. I think the AirPod Pros are kind of undefeated in that front. But if we're talking like pure quality of sound, I'm gonna give that to the Nothin Ears. Another thing that really matters to me is comfort, because I lay on my side of my head a lot, and I like to have headphones in. I'm not the type of guy that takes one out and leaves one in. I don't do the one headphone thing. It's either all or nothing for me. And laying on the side for a while with the Nothin Ears, honestly, I can't really tell the difference. Like, they both feel the same. Maybe that'll change once I get some more mileage with this, but from the short time that I had to use it for a bit today, it didn't hurt my ear. I think the small earbud size, I wish it were a little smaller, but this is fine. It's not gonna deter me from using it. In conclusion, if I had to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being I'm sticking with these, and 10 being I'm picking these up and ditching the AirPod Pros, I'm gonna say like a solid 7.4. I think that on days where I really want to listen to an album cover to cover, and I really care about the instrumental, and I really care about the acoustics, I'm definitely gonna put these on. But if day to day I'm just traveling, or I'm going to work and I want to turn on noise cancellation so I don't have to hear like someone crying or yelling in a bus or walking around town or something, I think I'll have the AirPods with me. I don't know. For those of you that have experience with both, I'd love to hear your opinions and thoughts. But yeah, this is just an initial impression. I'm making this a quick video. I didn't want it to be too long. So thank you for watching, and I'm happy to be back.